welcome to another video. This is CraftyRia, and if you are new here, welcome. I'm glad you found me, and if you are returning, welcome back. I'm glad you came back. Today I'm going to be opening a little bit of Happy Mail. These are both, I believe they are both from the Creativity Swaps Happy Mail and Friendship Facebook group. We do a lot of wishes and tags and swaps and all kinds of goodies like that. The first one I will open, I think this is from a swap or a wish back from July from Lisa K. She said it would be delivered in September, and it was delivered just at the end of August. And I believe that's what it is. I posted a picture in the group and I asked her if that's what it was. It was from my Amazon wish list. And I believe this is one of the items that was there. And it is this gorgeous pack of black and gold washi tape. These are so pretty. If it is, thank you, Lisa. If it's not, if this was from someone else, please let me know because there's no note or anything. This one here has dollar signs. That would be cute to do like a gift card envelope or something. And this one has little arrows. And then those just have some designs, polka dots and little triangles. And we have some more, 3 more rolls. And these have quite a good bit of amount of tape on them, so that's good. And then these 3 rolls. Very cool. I love these. And like I said, they were on my Amazon wish list. And that is one of the things we post twice a month. Usually the group does wishes. And we can post an Amazon wish list, and they're usually $10 and under. So I have a special wish list just for the group, and every time I see something that I like, I go ahead and stick it on the wish list. I have a bigger wish list that's for, you know, family and friends for more serious, more expensive goodies. So this is the other wish that I had received. This is from Cindy, and she sent me 3 of my wishes. She sent me, we asked for like 10 different things. So fall embellishments, Christmas embellishments, and something glittery. So I'll open the fall embellishments first. I love the way she packaged these. She made the packaging very pretty. And of course, I can either reuse the packaging to send to someone else, which I might do it for fall because I'm sending some fall Happy Mail. So that might get reused. And these are some really pretty cutouts. And I don't know if these are from scrapbook paper or from a book or if they're stamped. I can't quite tell. They're very pretty. And these are just big scallop circles. And I think there's 2 of each. Some of them have 1, which is good. That is so nice. I love them. I can use those definitely for focal points, focal images on a card. Love them. And this is the Christmas Happy Mail. Or Christmas embellishments. I absolutely love these Christmas tree buttons. They are so cute. Cindy, if you're watching, let me know where you got those. I love them. I want to get a whole bunch of them. They're so pretty. And we have just some cutouts. Merry Christmas. That's really pretty. You know, I recycle the Christmas cards, and some of these would go great right on the cards. And that is a really neat Christmas tree. And this says Happy Holidays. And we have a deer. This looks like a recycled Christmas card. And a little tag, which is great. Look at those little birds. How cute. And the penguin. And that is a die cut. I wonder if that's from a recycled Christmas card. It looks and feels like it. And a snowman. And a journaling spot. A couple little tags. And there's another cutout. That might also be from a Christmas card. And this is Christmas tags, or, you know, like a to from tag. And I think that's a sticker. Love it. I love those little Christmas tree, those wooden Christmas trees. Those are so cool. I don't have anything like that at all. And then here is something glittery. And I'm probably going to make a mess. I'm not going to open this little one. It has, oh yeah, I'll open it. Why not? You know, it's glittery. I have to open it. So in here we have some, I'll put them on this white paper, butterflies, some hearts, and this says joy. And I think that's what's in here. A couple of snowflakes. I won't take them all out. Some more hearts. And if you can see the little snowflake there, very cool. I am opening the big one. And there's this gorgeous glittery washi tape on there, which I will definitely reuse. And these look like a bunch of beautiful glittery die cuts. Look at that. That's all foil like that. And these would be great on recycled cards as well. Love that. And this is like a, I don't know if the camera is picking it up. It's like holographic. Very cool. And these are white glittery. I love these. And we have these. They're like a snowflake design probably, or just a decorative design. And this blue hummingbird. I love hummingbirds. Oh, so cool. And here's one that's a little different than the other one. And a little house. That reminds me, there is a project to make little houses out of Christmas cards, and I'm wanting to try it. In the future, you might see some videos coming if I have any success. We have some of these. These are gorgeous. Oh, and that's a heart balloon. That's really cool. And a flower. And I'm going to call it a tea cup and not a coffee cup, because I'm a tea drinker and not a coffee drinker. And these are so, look at that paper. That is beautiful. Thank you so much, Cindy, if you're watching. I love all of this. That is so great. I really appreciate it. And also, if those washi tapes are from you, Lisa, or whoever they're from, thank you so much. I absolutely love them. And you will probably see all of this featured on upcoming videos. So if you haven't yet subscribed, please do click that subscribe button and then the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you haven't yet checked out my Facebook group, Create with CraftyRia, the link will be below. Also the link for the group with the swaps, Creativity, Swaps, Happy Mail, and Friendship. That will be linked below as well. Thanks again, everyone, for watching. I appreciate all of you. And until the next time, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.